Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best electric snow shovels that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Snow Joe Ion Plus Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. This electric snow shovel has 24-volt ion and 4.0 Ah lithium-ion battery. Therefore, you can also operate this model cordlessly and without making the environment polluted. Moreover, the 400-watt electric motor can quickly remove 1620 lbs of snow with a single charge. The lightweight snowblower makes movement easier for users. The telescopic handle also helps you to work comfortably for hours without stressing your back. Furthermore, the 2-blade low-temperature paddle auger simply throws the snow up to the distance of 20 feet. With 11-inch cleaning width, the snow shovel minimizes the effort for cleaning. You can constantly use this machine for 22 minutes per charge. Moving on at number 4, we have Snow Joe 13-inch 4Ah cordless snow shovel. This powerful, cordless electric snow shovel is capable of removing 1620 lbs of snow with a single charge. The model also comes along with a strong 400-watt motor. Therefore, the model runs nearly smoothly and vibration-freely. Moreover, you can use this powerful tool for removing piles of snow from your decks, patios, steps, and sidewalks. This machine also consists of a rechargeable 4.0 Ah lithium-ion battery. Furthermore, the low-temperature, high-impact paddle auger offers the highest snow-throwing distance of 20 feet. The motor does not make any shrill noise during operation. You can continuously make this model work for 22 minutes with a single charge. At number 3, we have Greenworks Corded Snow Shovel. With a maximum throw distance of 20 feet, this electric snow shovel helps you to remove the snow instantly. This snowblower also comes with a powerful 8-amp motor. Moreover, the electric motor of this model is strong enough to throw up to 300 lbs of snow at once. The snow throw comes with a maximum clearing width of 12-inch. This snow shovel also comes along with an adjustable auxiliary handle. Therefore, you can keep your back fatigue free during operation. Furthermore, this simple push button offers a quick electric start. This corded model helps you to clear your wide path within a few minutes. At number 2, we have Snow Joe 24-volt Ion Plus Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. This cordless electric snow shovel supports cordless snow throwing. The model also comes along with a 24-volt, rechargeable 4.0 Ah battery. Moreover, this model consists of 2 blades paddle augers. Therefore, these impact-resistant and temperature-resistant augers throw the snow up to the distance of 20 feet. The ultra-quiet motor of the machine runs almost silently. The cordless model also keeps your steps, patios, decks, and sidewalks free of snow. Furthermore, the motor runs at the speed of 2,500 RPM. The battery with a single charge can make this model work for almost 25 minutes. This ultralight snowblower throws 560 pounds of snow just with a single charge. And finally at number 1. Greenworks 20-inch corded snow thrower. With a maximum cleaning path of 20-inch, the electric snow shovel instantly clears the wide patio. The 120-volt model also comes along with a 13-amp motor. Therefore, the motor runs without any gas or oil. Moreover, this snowblower offers a maximum 10-inch clearing depth to offer faster cleaning. The double LED lights keep a dark space illuminated while removing snow. The snow shovel also throws snow up to the distance of 20 feet. Furthermore, the multi-directional chute rotates at a 180-degree angle to manage the throwing direction. The large, smooth rolling wheels help you to move this snow shovel hassle-freely off different surfaces. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.